Hi folks, how you doing? So I thought I'd make a quick video showing probably how 90% of all cups of tea in the UK are made. I see a lot of videos online, normally by Americans, showing how you should make tea, which I find really odd because for a start, Americans boil their water in a microwave. I mean, why would you boil water in a microwave? Do you folks not have kettles over there? Seriously? It takes like 45-50 seconds to boil a cup of water in a kettle. Yeah, I worry about America. I really do. Anyway, yeah, we do like cups of tea from a teapot, but we kind of save that for special occasions or when you pop around your nan's house. Most of us just make it straight into the cup, and the reason we make it straight into the cup is because it's easier. It's far easier, and it's normally less mess. Although in this video you'll see that I make a lot of mess. But I would just point out that I am making this video one-handed while I hold a camera. I don't make all my cups of tea one-handed while holding the camera. Sometimes I'm holding a sandwich, or a banana. But yeah, there we go. 50 odd seconds and the water's boiled. Now you've got two options here. You can either leave that and walk away and come back in 2 minutes and it will be perfectly brewed. Or you can do what most of us do and basically agitate the hell out of it. We stir it and we poke it and we jab it and we get that tea all mixed in, and you just want to get it brewing, you want to get it going, and basically we take out all our demons on the tea bag. We think it's our worst enemy and we try and drown it. Yeah, we hold it underwater till the wriggling stops basically, and we try and make as little mess as possible, otherwise our parents come behind us and clip us around the ear. Oh shit. Anyway, yeah, so once you've done that, you're looking for this like dark peaty consistency. And don't try this at home. I have asbestos fingers, but we like to get every little last drop out of the cup of tea, or out of the tea bag even, and get it into the cup of tea. And then we're going to add a splash of milk. I like my tea pretty strong. I don't mind black tea actually, but I like a tiny little bit of milk. And I like to stir it, mix it all in until it's that nice biscuity colour. And there you go, a perfect British cup of tea.